Click the Setting button. System Setup. Add-ons. Turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Go back. File Manager. Add source. Click None. Copy-paste the link from the description here. Click OK. Click here. Type in lazy Kodi. Click OK. Click OK. Go back. Back again. Click Add-ons. Click the open box. Install from zip file. Click lazy Kodi. Zips. Kodi Bay. The repository will now install. Now click Install from repository. Kodi Bay repository. Video add-ons. cCloud TV. Install. Click the latest version. cCloud has been installed. Now click back 5 times to the main menu. Click the cCloud app. Let's try it out. Perfect. Thanks for watching.